purpose of a clutch. On the drill here, you can see on the top you've got a drill setting, screw setting, and this setting is for a hammer drill. A hammer drill makes the front of the drill poke in and out like so. It slams it in for driving into masonry and, you know, hammer drill. So anyway, today I wanted to show you the purpose of that clutch. What you can do is you rotate this portion to the screw setting. Well, let me show you on the drill setting. If I try to hold the drill track, it'll keep spinning. But if I rotate this to the screw setting, like so, now it allows me to use the clutch. Now this is on the highest setting, but you can see if I hold it, it'll give. And we can set this down to a lower setting. Let's say 8 right there. And now it gives a lot easier. Takes a lot less pressure. This is really useful for things like driving screws, let's say into a door jamb, and you don't just want to strip the screw out. This is, you know, this material might strip out, but if we set our clutch, this is set at 8, now when the screw is tight, it'll just slip like so, and that way it won't strip out the screw. So using that clutch setting will prevent you from driving a screw in so hard that it strips out the screw hole. And it's, again, really useful for putting in hardware where you want a lower setting. Now, setting it even lower makes a less strong of a setting, and setting it up higher makes it so that it won't slip until it's higher. So setting it all the way at 16 will give like the strongest depth of the clutch. So for uses like this, maybe an 8 or even a 6 will be good for driving hardware. Of course, we want to make sure that it's in there tight enough, but not so tight that it strips the screw hole. Anyway, that's the purpose of the clutch and how to use the clutch on a drill. Ready for business.